Sweet cousin, to what do I owe this unannounced pleasure?
I just wanted to see how you were doing.
I'm compartmentalizing. But I also see right through you, invisible woman.
I'm writing an article on Jingle Jangle inundating Riverdale. Have you ever heard of the Sugar Man?
Yeah, of course.
What?
As children, Mother told us tales of how Daddy was friends with the so-called Sugar Man, and if we were bad, he would sneak into our rooms at night, steal us from our beds. Whisk us away, never more to be seen.
Cheryl, is it possible that this man maybe worked for your father's drug business?
Dear God, Betty. Is there no memory, however dramatic, you want to file?
I'm trying to get to the
I
truth.
told you the truth. The Sugar Man was a poison confection spun by my mother to scare children, like the Sandman or Krampus. Now fly away, little bird.